Alright guys, we're back at SeaWorld Orlando with another project toboggan construction update. It's going to be a very quick one, but let's get to it. Let's go. Sorry guys, Sky Tower's closed today. Too bad. Womp womp.
Today we're starting off by Manta. As you can see, there's been a ton of work going on. Lots of new foundations are being dug and there's a ton more markings in the area. Well, what do we have here? Over by the restrooms and the food stands, it looks like early foundation work is finally beginning. Between the food stand and the vacation experience, a massive hole has been dug. It won't be long until we see rebar and concrete work being done. Sadly, nothing has really changed next to the big drill. Hopefully that will change soon. Well, this is new. Over the last few days, along the hillside of the Otter and Sea Lion Stadium, the site has received a lot of large new tubes. Not a ton of progress has happened since our last visit by the rumored exit of the show building and into the first launch. There is, however, some progress in the rumored final breaks and entrances to the unload platform. The hole in the area has grown and there seems to be some new infrastructure work and more foundation work happening.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for another Project Toboggan construction update. If you like what you saw, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for 100 subscribers. It really means the world to me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.